cheesy potatoes. Easy, Moorish and absolutely delicious.
Firstly, let's peel 1 kilo or just over 2 pounds of potatoes. Next, add your potatoes to some salted water, bring to the boil and simmer for 20 minutes until the potatoes are soft but holding their shape. Next, drain your potatoes into a colander and leave to dry for about 5 minutes. Now place a pan on a medium heat and melt in 1 tablespoon of butter. Next, grate 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and add to your pan and cook out, stirring continuously for 3 to 4 minutes. And don't let that garlic burn. Now let's add the spices, and that is 1 heat teaspoon of salt, 1 heat teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 heat tablespoon of paprika. And stir that into that garlic and butter mix continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. And now it's time to add those spuds. They've been waiting patiently. Tip carefully into your pan, being careful not to break them up. Give them a little shake and coat them in that lovely spice mixture. Now just look at how good that these are starting to look. Next, chop 4 spring onions or scallions and add to your pan of potatoes. Now follow that with 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley or 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. Now for my favourite part, let's add 75 grams or 3/4 of a cup of cheddar cheese. If you want to add more, feel free. Now cover your pan. If your pan doesn't have a lid, use foil. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until cheese is melted and gooey. Now all that's left to do is serve to your lucky diners. Just look at these, absolutely stunning. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, remember to hit that subscribe button. Take care and I'll see you next time.